Hey there, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how I use Socrative. I chose that for this week's activity. And Socrative is a formative tool that you can use, and it's a little similar to Kahoot, but I like it more now that I've played around with it for a few days. So you have 6 options of different types of activities you can do. You could do just a quick question to poll your students, or you can get a little bit more in depth with the quiz. So what I really liked is I went in and I made a quiz. It comes with this standard quiz here to try it out. And with my quiz, I chose a DVQ activity that we do every year on Hammurabi's Law Code. And I selected my standard from the Common Core. And this is what I thought was really cool. It has all of the standards embedded. So say you want to switch it to a math, science, language arts, whatever, you can pick a standard that's aligned and look at the grade level specifically and pick your content standard. And I just thought that was awesome. Another really cool feature is, of course, you've got different types of questions, but if you put your question in, you can also give an explanation, and you can choose whether or not you want that to be immediately released based on your objectives if you're giving it as a quiz. So it was really simple to use, and I really enjoyed it. The other really cool feature is if you decide that you want to make this more of a classroom activity, what you can do is you pick your quiz, you don't have to create a new one, and you let them know what type of environment you're using. So I would probably have 6 groups. I would have students pick their groups, but sometimes you might want to auto-assign groups. I would let them pick the icon. I just have a feeling that we're kind of going to go for the unicorns. And then you can have students required to put in their names, you can shuffle the questions, you give them feedback immediately, and you can do the final score. So that would set up what's called a space race. And what you would see on the projector would be 6 different groups by color that are answering questions. And the questions are from your quiz. But you could use this as a synchronous activity where everyone together is working through these activities at their own pace, but it is a little bit of a challenge. Or you could choose not to show this, and this could just be up on your screen, and it could help you gauge really quickly what groups are grasping the information fast and what groups you might want to go over and work with. So I thought this was just a really cool tool that students would love that also gives teachers a lot of really fast feedback. The last thing I want to show is that it has a built-in exit ticket. So if you go in, you can assign an exit ticket with questions where how well do you understand the material? What did you learn in class today? And then you can put in any other question that you like, and it gives you a results table. So again, it's a really organized way for you to get information, and then all of your information, you can tell I played with it a bit, all of your information would come into your reports page. So this is just another really cool tool to put in your back pocket for formative assessment.